10 keyboard shortcuts for complete beginners. You ready? Here we go. Number 1, Command or Control B toggles the sidebar. Number 2, Command J toggles the bottom panel open and close. Number 3, Command or Control Shift P opens the command palette where you'll find everything that Visual Studio Code can do. Number 4, Command or Control P opens the file quick picker so you can see all of the files in your project and you can quickly get to one by typing the name, pressing enter. Number 5, not often seen but very useful, Command or Control Shift N opens an entirely new instance of Visual Studio Code. You'll use this a lot. Kind of like that, but a little different, is Command or Control N without the shift, and that just gives you a new tab. And Control or Command W closes the current tab. That brings us to number 8, Command or Control comma, which opens your user settings where you can customize your editor. Number 9 is one I really like, which is Control backtick, and this opens and closes the terminal. Now this might seem like it's just like does the same thing as Command J. The difference is Command J just toggles the bottom panel here, so whatever you selected last is what you'll see when it opens. But with Control backtick, you always get the terminal. And finally, number 10, Command or Control equals to zoom in on the editor, and Command or Control minus to zoom out.